So ladies and gentlemen, just have a feel of the good morning on this very beautiful day, and then have a feel of the good things happening in India. You just see that you can say that this is the Mecca of the power flowing from this place. You can see that this is the thermal power project. This is coal-based thermal power project, and then at the same time, this is combined gas thermal power project. This it uses naphtha. These are the cooling towers. It uses naphtha, and it uses high-speed diesel HSD fuel for the this gas turbines. But at the same time, if the flue gases are just thrown in the air without just reusing them, because they come out at temperature of 530 degrees centigrade. In the gas turbines, they are at 1100 degrees centigrade temperature. But if they are just thrown out in the sky through the chimneys, you can just see that behind there is around 45-meter chimney in this gas turbine, then it is known as open cycle gas turbine. But then in this particular case, ladies and gentlemen, this 106 megawatt of gas turbines, they are reused at 520 degree temperature. This fuel is reused and then to heat up the water, and then that steam in the boilers, and then in that boilers, then it goes to the steam turbine, HP turbine and LP turbine. Two turbines are there. They again generate 53 megawatts of electricity. Two turbines, there are 106 megawatt of 4 turbines, 1A, 1B, 2A and 2B. And then there are 4 boilers, 1C, 2C, and boiler 1A, boiler 2A, boiler 1B, boiler 2C. And then there are 2 turbines, common turbines for 2 boilers, 1 common turbine, and for 2 2A and 2B, 1 common turbine. That means only 2 turbines which are 53 into which are generating 106 megawatt of electricity. To have the capital cost under control, 4 boilers, 4 generator turbines, gas turbines, but at the same time 2 steam turbines. That is a complete philosophy behind this combined gas thermal power project. At the same time, this is another project. This is coal-based project, and at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, this is another thermal power project. And then this is one more thermal project of Reliance. This is of Adani. This is of Gripco, and there are so many beautiful, and very important projects, ladies and gentlemen. And accepting that there is no hydro and hydro storage projects in this particular region. And then this is the because more of pollution, more of flue gases there, and that's why these chimneys are around 140 meters height just for flue gases. This particular thermal power project, coal-based thermal power project. But the most important thing, just see that combination of clean renewable energy and fossil fuel energy means coal energy, and gas energy means fossil fuel energy, and fossil fuel free energy means this solar floating solar plants. And this is ground based grid connected plant. This is known as grid connected solar PV project. This particular project, ladies and gentlemen, it generates electricity during the daytime. These 2 plants are generating during the daytime. This floating solar and this ground mounted solar project. But at the same time, in the morning and evening, for around 2 hours, 3 hours, the generation of the electricity is from this combined gas thermal power project. But then if you are having for more of duration, 5 days, 6 days, 10 days, then you need to use this thermal power project. That is the philosophy behind the generation of the electricity at the moment, because you know that electricity from this solar is very cheap. So once this free fuel means this solar is coming, sun is coming from the sky, from sun god. So why not to tap this fuel and then generate very cheap electricity and use it in our homes and industry. But at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, when you are generating the electricity through the naphtha and high speed diesel, and at the same time from this coal, which is the fuel for these two projects, it is really expensive, because sun is a free fuel, it is coming from the sky. But this high speed diesel and this coal and this gas are not free, which are the fuel for these two projects, which is very expensive. Sometimes it goes to 48 rupees per unit. So now and then during peak times, so we have to be very careful. These are generating electricity only, this gas turbine in morning, evening, 2 to 3 hours, and then at the same time this coal plant when we are having round the clock generation. But during daytime we are having the generation of the electricity, ladies and gentlemen, from these grid connected ground based solar power project, and of course this magnificent floating solar power project on this raw water reservoir near the Tapi river. And then you are having all these are cables which take the electricity from this only they are taking electricity from this particular floating solar project. And then around, it has to be around 60 degree coverage, 60 to 70% of the surface area coverage has to be this solar panels, solar power project. And then, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very important project powering this India and powering the region here. And then these needs 10% of the panels are cleaned daily. Daily cleaning is happening for 10% of the this ones. This is a cable coming, and then there will be that inverters, there will be other gadgets and other equipment, and then this cleaning also has to happen on this particular project. Thank you.